Nan, Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Mark Cunanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses here in Pampanga promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa Guago, Pampanga. And if you are interested to know more about the products that we have sa likod natin, no? So these are sabli jerseys,
Sports apparel, and even mga something na pwede nyo magamit daily use.
Alright, so again, if you want to know more about this, samahan niyo po kami in this
So
vlog.
tara, let's go!
So kasama natin ngayon si Ma'am Michelle, owner of HUB dito po sa Guago, Pampanga. Ma'am Michelle, thank you for inviting us po.
Thank you for coming over.
Yes.
And then this is our showroom. We have all the products that we're doing. We're manufacturing. So basically our products are mostly customized shirts, sportswear, anything that you want na gusto mong i-customize. So kahit na anong design na gusto nyo, we do small quantities. Like kung group of 10 or 12, we can do that. We can also do 1,000. But now, since it's pandemic and people would like to have their own group na for cycling, na gusto nila na meron silang mga uniform. Pag nagbabike, kung may mga sports na kailangan or event na kailangan puntahan, so pwede kami dito. We do our own design. So kung ano yung gusto nyo ipa-design sa amin, we have graphic artists who can do that here. And then ipapakita nila sa inyo. We manufacture them. We started as an export company. So the company is like 8 years now. So our main product, we export to Australia. And this year, we decided to open it for local. So people can easily order quality, affordable materials. We expanded our line, like from apparel, we also have labels for stickers, tarpaulin, signage, advertising requirement nyo. We also have it here. Like if you have products na gusto mong lagyan ng labels, stickers, we can also do that for you. We have those for basketball. We have also for company uniforms. Like, if gusto nyong i-promote yung company nyo, na gusto nyo ilagay yung logo nyo, or may mga sponsors kayo, or any design, we can do that for you. Polo shirts, and then we have t-shirts. May mga for sports, we have singlets, we have cycling, and we can also do masks. We also have tube masks. We also have bags. We have a collab from a friend from Betis, Pampanga. His name is...
So local po, local artist.
Ramkos Nulud. So lahat ng painting niya, we apply on a shirt. We apply on shirts. We apply on bags, mugs. So everything na pwede ilagay yung design niya. If meron kang brand, gusto mong mag-open ng business, gusto mong meron kang sariling products na ikaw ang nag-design or may sariling design, we can do that for you. So from products, labels, everything, pwede namin yung gawa.
Beneficial po for those who really start up companies, they just have their ideas, but as of now, they don't have like the machineries or the capability to do it. So they can reach out to you po, and then you can come up for that product.
You want to have your own merchandise, we can do that for you. Location namin is we are in San Roque, Guagua, Pampanga. Like beside Flight D. We have a factory which is located in Rizal, Guagua, Pampanga. So it's like 800 square meter. We have everything. We have from printing, cutting, sewers, we have in-house sewers, finishing, and then we can also ship abroad.
Can we go to your place po?
Sure,
para tingnan natin?
Sure.
Alright, so Ma'am Michelle, thank you so much po for inviting us. We're gonna go to her factory and tingnan po natin how is it being done. Okay, so let me give you a tour of their factory. Grabe. If you will go here, this is gonna be very inspiring na ganito malalaman mo yung mga story nila. So, it starts here. Let me go to the design department. This is where they receive the design sa room na to, and then imprinted dun sa kanilang machine. And then next is they're gonna go here for the pressing. So this is the heat press. Dito kinakat yung mga papers natin. And then, if we go to this machine, this is the pinaka plancha. And then right after ma-print, guys, so they're gonna sort it. And then the process goes on. This is where the sewing section is. And then before it goes to the ironing, so magkakaroon siya konting quality check. And then lastly, there's gonna be a final quality check dun sa packaging section. And then the last part of the process is of course packaging and then straight to the customer. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for being with us in this video. Very interesting business. What can you say about the factory, bro?
So yung factory nila, so they can accommodate almost everything.
Almost everything,
From
actually.
tela to manufacturing hanggang finished product.
Even PPEs for medical,
Yes.
ano natin, mga frontliners natin, they can actually manufacture those kinds of products.
At the same time, nalaman din namin na it's one of the affordable
Most affordable,
yes,
actually.
and
Yeah.
quality products
Quality.
na pang high-end yung tela.
They actually export those products to abroad,
Yes.
particularly
Australia.
and New Zealand. And right now, they open it to the locals for us to enjoy it as well.
Yeah, so
If you want to know more about this business, make sure to check out the information that we're going to be including in the comment section, as well as the fan page that we will be flashing.
that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out, bye guys.